Hello students, this is an initiative taken by Set Vidya Mandir English High School CBSC. This is an online audio and video lessons. So students, now I am going to teach you that is chapter 7, background and views in PowerPoint. So PowerPoint you all have seen last year also, you are having this chapter PowerPoint, but in this we are going to learn, last time you are making only slides and this time we are going to learn how to change the backgrounds, views and PowerPoints, okay, in PowerPoint 2013. How to insert pictures and how to do animations and slideshow, all this we are going to learn in this chapter. So first of all, you know PowerPoint, why it is used to show presentation. If you are having some presentation, you want to show it, that time we are using this PowerPoint, okay. So now let me show you how to add slides. You know na, this is the way of, this is the first slide. Whenever you open a blank PowerPoint, this is opening, this page will be opened and a slide will be there. Here you have to add the title of the slide. Suppose you are writing internet technologies. For example, I am just writing in, and subtitle means created by or made by whom, created by ABC. So like this is the title of the page, okay. Now if you want to add a new slide, where you have to go, just go here. Can you see this new slide option in the home tab? This new slide option, can you see? Okay, just click on the small arrow. There are different varieties of slide. This is the title slide, title and the content slide, section header, to content, comparison. If you want to show some comparison, you can differentiation, you can show using this one. Title, only title if you want, a blank if you want, you can put your own way. Content with caption, picture with caption, whatever you want. And suppose you want this slide to be duplicated, that also option is here to duplicate the slide, selected slide you can duplicate, okay. So let me now take just a blank slide I am including. Now just go to this first slide. How to add slide, now you understand how to add new slide. Yeah, go by going to the new slide option in the slide group. You can, in the home tab, slide group, go to the new slide option and you can select a new slide, whatever slide you want. In the blank slide you cannot type anything directly in this slide. So if I type, nothing comes here. Why? Because it is completely blank. For writing you have to click on this and then, can you see this text box? This is called text box. After putting the text box, you can type anything in this text box. Now you understand? That is why blank slide does not have any way of writing. You have to put a text box, you have to put something, then only you can write on this, okay. And see, one more thing, go to this new slide I am showing you. Now duplicate the selected slide means, now this is selected slide, so it will duplicate one more blank slide. Can you see? The same thing it is written in this slide also, in the third slide also. So this is called a duplicate slide. Slide from outline and slide from reuse. Reuse slide means if you have insert slide from where you want to insert it. You just, if you are having some already PowerPoint done, if you have, you can use. See, I have already done some PowerPoint, from there a slide is coming, so this slide I can use it. If I need, I can use from the reuse slides, means the slides which you have already done, PowerPoint presentation which you have already saved, and you want slides from that presentation, you can take it here also. So this is called reuse slide. So now you understand what is reuse slide. Inserting slide from other presentation or other PowerPoint presentations, okay. Okay, Now comes how to change the background. Now let me close this one, this cross button. If I close it, it will go. So now see, now how to change this background colors, how to change the background appearance. So go to the design tab. Can you see here this design tab? Yeah, go to this design tab. See, there are so many backgrounds. Can you see the themes? These are called the themes. So this you can open it and you can see it. So many themes are there. Whatever theme you want, like select it. Whatever theme you need, you can select it. See, I am showing you each and every theme. So many themes are there. If you need, you can use any of the theme, whatever you want. Can you see it? So many variety of themes are there. Let me use this one. So this is just a theme. So now this, see, after changing the background, all the slides will be of the same background. You cannot change a slide with different backgrounds. So same background will be applied to all the slides in one single presentation. So now you understand. There are variants. Can you see here? In this also they are having colors, different type of font colors, effects, background styles they are having. If you want, you can change the styles of this. Like you can make it as gray, you can make it more brown, you can make it orange, you can make it this. So this type of different types of backgrounds are there. These are called background style. Okay. So solid fill, gradient fill, these are the background style. Format background, can you go here? You can go here, format background, and see here you can see solid fill. If you want a solid color, if you want a gradient color, see this is the gradient mixture. Picture or a texture fill, pattern fill. So these are different type of, if you want some pattern type design, so you can take it from here. If you want this dotted pattern or this one, or this one, or this one, this type of any of the patterns, if you want, you can select it from here. So these are the varieties of patterns. From here you can select. Okay, and it will be applied to different slides. Okay, like I am selecting solid fill and press apply to all. Here it is written already, you have to apply to all, otherwise you cannot do it. So gradient fill only, let us be the gradient fill, close it. I am just not applying anything. So this is the how we are changing the background by selecting the color. Again I am showing you. Let me undo it first, then only you will be able to understand. Okay, now if I want to change, see, again I am showing you. So first let me select a theme. Now this is the theme I have selected, and after this if I want I can go to this variants. Can you see it? Variants, click on this variants here, and in this background style go to the background style. In this format background you go to the format background and you can select the pattern style, solid, picture, gradient, picture or texture, and pattern fill, whatever you want. But now I am applying this picture to apply to all. So done. So this is the way to change the background of the slide. So hope you have understood this thing, how to change the, how to insert new slide, how to change the background design, and how to use the format background style. So do this. The next slide, in the next video I will show you next part of the chapter. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.